Introducing Project GREENGO, a bespoke ECD Custom Defender 110 soft top, masterfully built to reflect our client's individual vision. This open-air icon merges classic British design with handcrafted luxury and modern performance, offering a refined take on rugged adventure. Finished in a rich full-gloss British racing green, accented with deep black details, Project GREENGO makes an unmistakable statement in both elegance and capability. It rides on classic 16-inch wolf steel wheels, wrapped in BFG all-terrain tyres, delivering timeless style with uncompromising performance. This soft-top Defender 110 is equipped with a multi-point roll cage. Lighting the path ahead are 4 LED spotlights mounted along the cage, with 2 additional LEDs on the front bumper, blending utility with visual drama. A classic front bumper completes the exterior with a nod to the Defender's enduring design legacy. Inside, Project GREENGO balances vintage appeal with contemporary comfort. A Momo Prototipo steering wheel pairs with classic white-faced gauges, offering a pure and purposeful driving experience. Corbo sport seats provide ergonomic support in the front, while the rear features 4 inward-facing jump seats, maintaining the Defender's versatile character. Every seat is finished in single vertical diamond-stitched Spinneybeck Hides Thema leather, crafted in a warm, earthy tone and stitched in contrasting brown thread. A bespoke interior palette that feels both refined and grounded. Powering Project GREENGO is the legendary GM LS3 V8, delivering 430 horsepower through a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission. Technological upgrades include a Halo-style infotainment system paired with Pioneer premium sound, Apple CarPlay integration, rear air conditioning, and multiple USB connections, ensuring modern convenience in every mile. Project GREENGO is more than a custom build. It's a statement of style, freedom, and individuality, purpose-built for those who demand authenticity with every adventure. Build yours today.